Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I will show you how to enable low battery notification in your Windows 10 or 11 computer. So you just need to follow me, and if you are new in my channel then don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So at the very first, go to Windows start menu or search bar, then type here power plan. Now open edit power plan in control panel. Here you need to click on change advanced power plan setting. You may close the hard disk option just to avoid confusion. Then go to battery and expand it. Now critical battery notification, expand it. Here you have to see two options, which those you may sense when on battery set to on, and when plug-in in set to on. Now here is the other option, critical battery action. You just need to click expand it. Here you have to set when on battery set to hibernate, and when plugged in set to hibernate. Now low battery level, expand this option. When on battery, set this number here just between 12 to 15, and when plugging in, keep this value here between 12 to 15. After that, critical battery level, expand it. You may have to change those two options also, which is when battery on and when plugged on. Now low battery notification, expand it. When on battery set to on, and when plugged in set to on. Then low battery action, expand it. When on battery set do nothing, and when plugged in set do nothing. Now the last option, reserved battery level, expand it. When on battery level it set 4%, and when plugged in leave it at 4%. So once all those options are done, you just click on apply, then OK. Now you have to restart your Windows PC or laptop. After that it will be show you when power is low. So I hope this little tutorial really help for you. If it is, then please like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any type of question, then contact with me or comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.